Alright, very warm welcome to all of you ladies and gentlemen. Friends, it's been 24 years down the line, 1989 to 2013. Right from its inception to the stage at what it is, the AIAC Awards for Excellence and the Infrared Reality Achievers Award in various categories have become a globally appreciated recognition that comes rarely and to a few only who have worked hard to achieve and excel in their chosen field of activity, like we have all of you here. Can you please have a round of applause once? Yes, ladies and gentlemen, it symbolizes the spirit of outstanding achievement and excellence in one go. All India Achievers Conference, as we already know, is a non-profit, non-political organization which was set up in 1989 by a group of enterprising journalists, writers, social workers, entrepreneurs and leading interest leads of the country, having its headquarters in New Delhi and branches in all major cities. AIAC not only reckons and highlights individual achievements of people from various walks of life who have scored great and significant achievements in their respective fields. With the AIAC Awards for Excellence and the Infra Reality Achievers Award in various categories, but also arranges conferences, seminars, formal and informal discussions amongst such achievers from their benefit at large. It is a great pleasure to announce that All India Achievers Conference has arranged for its 72nd AIAC Awards from Excellence presentation functions powered by Amrapali Group. Can we have a round of applause for that, please? So today we have here with us today Jury Chairman Raza Muradji. Can we please have a round of applause? Jury members Padam Shri Panaz Masanji. Can we please have a round of applause? Rakesh Bedi ji, Avtar Gill ji, Dr. Jay Prakashan Sharma ji and the Honorary Consul General of Montenegro, Her Excellency Dr. Janice Darbari ji as a special guest of honor. Can we please have a round of applause here? At May we have the pleasure of lighting the inaugural lamp. So before starting, I would like to say that everybody listens to Baba Ramdev ji, I guess. Everybody is aware. So they say that, if you clap more, yeah, this is how I like my shows to be like. तो बिना कहे आप लोगों को तालियों की जो गूंज मुझे सुनाई देनी चाहिए. With that, blood circulation भी आपका बढ़ेगा और साथ ही साथ हमें लगेगा कि yes, people are listening, right? Come on, once again. Thank you so much. So friends, the All India Achiever Conference doing all that we have talked about have a great personality behind it. Yes, he is truly a self-made man, a man of self-confidence, resolute determination and iron will. A man who knew his goal and how to go about achieving it. It is so different. He is a man of genuine pride. He is the real achiever. He is Abhishek Bachchan. Can we please have a round of applause here? He is the same man who says being ordinary is just not the cup of tea. I am ultimate perfection of human love. Rising above time, I am cynosure of all the I am me. I am Abhishek Bachchan. Once again. I am outward appearance. This man is marked a cynical smile, an arrogant nod of the head and a get it or get out kind of attitude. Like that. He started his career as a film producer in the year 1976, and just as he was beginning to find his feet in this shaky world, he has cheated of his entire savings worth several lakhs of rupees. But Mr. Bachchan is the man whose determination is stronger than destiny. And he rose with greater determination and chose a new beginning in a highly competitive and cutthroat profession of journalism. This man, who has ignored by the professional and old hands, within 6 months of his entry, covered the long journey and bagged the upcoming Journalist of the Year award for 1984. It was a well-deserved pat on the back. Mr. Abhishek Bachchan, made of blunt frankness and unmasked arrogance, has proved that his determination is stronger than destiny. Can we please have a round of applause for him? Now may I now request Shri Abhishek Bachchan ji, the Secretary General of AIAC, to give us all of his pleasure of hearing. Can you please?
Thank you so much, Sadhvi, for all those wonderful adjectives. I really wonder if I deserve them, but yes, I have never gone in for a second place as an option in my life, so a big thank you. Honorable Jury Chairman, Shri Raza Murad ji, jury members, Shri Rakesh Bedi ji, Avtar Gill ji, Penaz Masane ji, distinguished guests on the dais, Shri Anil Kumar Sharma ji, Chairman of the Amarpali Group, Pandit Jaiprakash Sharma ji, and anybody else I have missed out on the table. Friends, ladies and gentlemen, I welcome you all to this August gathering. Even though the topic of today's seminar, that is individual achievements and nation building, and current scenario of real estate and infrastructure growth and challenges, may have a familiar ring about it. But I feel this is one theme that needs to be stressed at all times. And in the few minutes that we shall take of your time, we shall endeavor to analyze some of its important aspects to reach thereby an equation that clearly shows that individual achievements and nation building, with a little conscious effort, can become two sides of the same coin. Now when I said we, I was referring to some of the distinguished personalities present here who are excellent speakers with great oratory skills. They are men of knowledge, they are men of wisdom, they have thorough grasp of the subject, and they have carved a niche for themselves. Yes, I am talking about Raza Murad ji, Pandit Jaiprakash Sharma ji, Avtar Gill ji, Rakesh Bedi ji, Dr. Anil Kumar Sharma ji, Penaz ji. They all have carried the torch of action. They are there to tread new paths. They are role models worthy of emulation by others. In fact, they are the real gems in the crown of society, like most of you are. You all have achieved milestones for which you are here, for that momentum, glory and recognition which is just around the corner. But friends, before that, I request these gentlemen who I have named to kindly give their perspective on the subject. Today, the best of brains, the best of mind, the best of talent, the best of intellect and the best of acumen stand to be honored. And All India Achievers Conference takes pride in honoring them for excellence in their chosen field of activity. We have with us today Mr. Sajid Mohammed from Chennai. He is a very eminent builder. We have Mr. Shiv Kumar Garg, Chairman of Eldigo Industries, Lucknow. Mr. Vipin Sharma, again an educational from Patiala. He has produced more than 400 doctors. Where is Vipin? Here it is. Then we have Mr. Dr. Anil Kumar Sharma. Of course, everybody should be knowing about him. The Chairman and Managing Director of the Amrapali Group, which is a world-renowned name now. It's a brand excellence company. And then, if men can achieve so much, what I'm coming to the point is, can women achievers be far behind? No. We have Swati Garg, a very eminent interior designer from Delhi. Where's Swati? Yes. Then we have Meera Sareen with us, who's the Vastu and Aura Science expert from Delhi. Here, she is right here with us. Then we have Dr. Seema Pachauri, an eminent educationist from Bhopal. Seema ji, you're there? There she is. And then of course Sushma Rani Chok ji, a very prominent educationist from Jaipur. She has got more than 200 national and international awards to her credit. I will give her a big hand. And then of course we have Seema Kakkar, who is being represented by somebody out here who is a very big fashion designer from Mumbai. So friends, I will not take much of your time because I said the moment of glory and recognition is yours, and I wish many more such glorious moments to come your way. At the same time, I would like to pay my grateful thanks to Dr. Anil Kumar Sharma ji, the Chairman of Amrapali Group, who has been very kind to sponsor this event. In fact, he has been associated with me for the last 15 years, and not a single award function has gone by where we have not had him as a sponsor. Then of course I am grateful to Raza Murad ji, Rakesh Bedi ji, Avtar Gill ji, my very dear and trusted friends from Bollywood. They are there for me any time and every time. And while I was talking about women achievers from different parts of the country, I forgot to tell you that we have a very old Penaz Masani here, Padma Shri Penaz Masani. I have known her for the last 33 years, almost that. The first time when I met her, she welcomed me with such an infectious smile, which was so exuberant, and till date I find her smiling. She is so graceful, so poised, so charming. I wonder if she would like to share the secret of this achievement with all of us. This is the biggest achievement. Sri Ravi Shankar ji, who teaches you about the art of living. But I am sure you also know what the art of giving is. So I'll appreciate if each one of you applauds the achievements of all these achievers here. It will be a big thing for us. Thank you very much. I welcome you all once again.
Thank you so much, sir. Okay, now I would like to request Dr. Anil Kumar Sharma ji, who is the CMD Amrapali Group, to please come here and share a few words with us. Can we please have a round of applause once again? Thank you.
I would like to say Abhishek Bachchan ji and Madam, of course, together. since last, I think, 20-25 years, he has been celebrating this Achievers Award. I can't express my view from my core of heart, because he is a person, he is a gem of a person, an excellent human being, very good friend, very helpful, social server, and usually, in family, if husband does a lot, wife doesn't support. But here, it's an excellent example. Abhishek ji works and Bhavi ji supports. So it's a two wheels of a chariot of success and service for the nation. I have been attending this program since 7-8 years, and when I was in fact fascinated with their program, with their thought, with their achievements, and with their service for the society. My dear friend, today you may be getting award. This award is a seed for your success, or we can say that he accomplished all the goal of the society for the people who has done something in their life. I don't say that somebody is getting Megshasay Award, somebody is getting lot of awards, Padma Shri, Padma Vibhushan, and lot of awards. But I consider all awards alike, because a person, a human being like him, if he select a person from the grassroots level, it's a beginning of your recognition of your success. So I really congratulate him. I really congratulate you all, and I would say that it's just a beginning, or it is just not a beginning, but if you have achieved something in your life, you have done something for the society, and you have done something for our country, it must be recognized. And the All India Achievers Conference meant for that. I can't express my gratitude to the entire team, entire jury member, for having this such a great function. मैं हिंदी में बोलना चाहूँगा, समाज में व्यक्ति तरक्की की शुरुआत कहीं न कहीं से करता है। कोई भी इंसान पहली सीढ़ी से शुरू करता है। इंग्लिश में एक कहावत है, there is no cut short to experience। ये हमारा फर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस है, अनुभव है, और जो अनुभूति आज आपको मिलेगी, मैं अपने दिल से, आप सबों के दिल से और इन लोगों के दिल से एक आवाज के रूप में कहना चाहूंगा कि आज इन्होंने जो प्रयास किया है, आज इन्होंने जो आप लोगों को सम्मानित करने का बीड़ा उठाया है, वो सिर्फ एक समाज से शुरू होकर के देश और विदेश तक भी आपको सम्मानित करने में कहीं न कहीं एक अहम भूमिका निभाएगा। मैं सभी इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर के दोस्तों को ये कहना चाहूँगा, हमारे देश में इसकी बहुत ज़रूरत है। अक्सर हम लोग टेलीविज़न पे डिस्कशन करते रहते हैं, बहुत सारे हिंदुस्तान में बहुत सारी घटनाएं, लॉट ऑफ इंसिडेंट्स, लॉट ऑफ पॉलिटिकल, सोशल, पर्सनल, एजुकेशनल, इंस्टीट्यूशनल, ये सारी घटनाएं घटती रहती है। इन सभी घटनाओं का एक सार है, एक आई वुड से दैट in nutshell, the success story can never be beaten. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. It was lovely hearing you here. So ladies and gentlemen, let's begin with the Lifetime Achievement Award here. Can we please have a round of applause as we starting with it? मैं आप लोगों से बहुत तालियां बजवाने वाली हूँ, so please be ready for all that. Okay? So the Lifetime Achievement Award, which goes to Dr. Reinhard Krogmeyer. Can we please have him here for the outstanding contribution to the society? As a quality control head, he has steered SNT to the zenith of its success and has worked on high-profile and large-scale interior projects, giving them the international quality standards with his enthusiasm for reaching vision and dedication to excel. He has recently conferred upon with an honorary doctorate for his outstanding contribution in his chosen field of activity by one of our associate organizations, Academy of Universal Global Peace. Since he was able to receive the set personally at Coimbatore due to work commitments, we have all the pleasure to present him the certificate of honorary doctorate here, and now along with the Lifetime Achievement Award. Please give him a round of applause.
Friends, he was recently conferred with a doctorate in Coimbatore, but since he was abroad, he could not be personally there to receive it. So we have all the pleasure to present him the doctorate certificate here in the hands of Penaz and Dr. Anand Kumar.
I would request all the achievers to please come from that side and please take an exit from this side. Thank you so much. Once again, would like to tell all of you, please, I want everybody to please come from that side and take an exit from this side. Now the Gem of India Award goes to Dr. Artist KGSS Nair. Can we please have a round of applause? KGSS is popularly known amongst friends and colleagues as a man within many hats of sculpture, modeling, painting, writing and interior designer. He has brought SNT into profitable stream with his innovative and creative mind. His books, Adventures of an Empty Stomach, has been widely accomplished. He has received several awards and recognitions to his credit. Can we please have a round of applause once again?
Keep on.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, the another award is for Sachin Lokhande ji. Can we please have a round of applause for him? जोरदार तालियों से उनका स्वागत कर दीजिए. Thank you. He has been able to reduce IT capex and opex by 35 to 42 through consolidation, applications migration to SAP, enabling global integration of IT infrastructure and applications platform with low operational cost. He launched prepaid cash card money on mobile instrument operation, delivering the required PASA license, RBI rules and regulations and compliances, identifying applications ERP, HRMS, PMS, DCS legal for the startup entities to support 24/7 plant operations, continuity and recovery, management plans addressing security and business concerns. Louder round of applause. Another Okay. Neera Sareen ji, can we please have a round of applause? Neera Sareen is a master in occult sciences, healing modalities and expert in Vastu and Aura sciences over 17 years. She has undertaken and successfully completed many Vastu rectifications projects like factories, spas, medical channels like Disha and Sanatan, design studios like PFDC, etc. Apart from residencies and offices, she is operating with our team here across the country. Can we please have a round of applause? Another award, the Arch of Excellence Award in various categories, goes to Pushpalata Jhaji. Can we please have a round of applause? A teacher par excellence with great vision and foresight. She started her career at a very young age as a Montessori teacher and went on to climb the success ladder slowly and steadily. She is now the principal of Shana International School in Rajasthan. Her dedication has brought several accolades to the school. Can we have a round of applause louder? Another one for Vidya Ratan Line G, Dr. K. Gopal Reddy Ji. Can we have a round of applause? I repeat, Dr. K. Gopal Reddy Ji. He is the Executive Director of Lotus Lab Public School, Hyderabad, which was established more than a decade ago by a team of people of eminence whose only vision and aim is to work for the betterment of the society. His relentless contribution and selfless service combined with dedication and vision for excellence in the field of education needs to be engraved in letter of gold. Louder round of applause, please. PayPoint India Network Mumbai. Another award goes to PayPoint India Network Mumbai. Can we please have a round of applause? It is one of the pioneers in providing a one-stop solution for distribution and collections of a wide range of services. PayPoint effectively fills this gap by letting the utilities concentrate on the service delivery only and creating a vast dealer network comprising of kirana shops, medical pharmacies, petrol pumps, PCO booths, or any other similar retailers. So he is the man, Ketan Joshi ji. Can we please have a round of applause for him? Another award for Seema Kakkar ji. Can we have a round of applause? A name to reckon with in the field of fashion designing and horticulture. Seema Kakkar is the founder and managing director of Remanica, the most sought after the chain of retail outlets in Mumbai selling trendy youth wear and club wear for women. Initially, she did her B.Ed course and started teaching science in a well-reputed school, but soon after she completed her MBA and started working in airlines and seafood industries for 15 years before taking the plunge into doing what she is designing. Now she is designing clothes. Thereafter, there is no looking back. Another award is for Dr. A. Praveen Rajji. Can we please have a round of applause? Hats off to this dynamic businessman whose company, the Mass India Group of Companies in Rameshwaram, has touched the zenith of success in the field of tourism and financial services. He has also lately ventured into the business of filmmaking under the banner of MIG Productions and is all set to make a name of himself as a film producer. Congratulations. Louder round of applause, please. The another award is the Symbol of Pride Award goes to Sushma Rani Chugji. Can we please have a round of applause? For her outstanding contribution to the field of education, she is the principal of Government College of Nursing Jaipur with the 30 years experience in the teaching field. She has to her credit a number of prestigious awards for her 3 decades of dedicated services in her chosen field. Can we please have a round of applause once again?
200 international and national awards to her credit.
Congratulations, ma'am. The Rashtriya Shiksha Saman Award goes to Mr. Vipin Sharma ji. Can we have a round of applause now? For having ensured that his schools of science has kept on constantly progressing on the wheels of success, all due to his sincere efforts. It goes to his credit that he has managed to successfully produce over 200 doctors, engineers, scientists who are serving the nation to the best of their abilities. What goes to his credit is that he picks up rejected students of average grading and grooms them to the perfection, making them toppers, which is really nice. Can we have a round of applause?
Produced more than 400 doctors. Congratulations.
Remember that smile. Thank you.
Congratulations. The Rashtriya Shiksha Ratan Award goes to Dr. Seema Pachauri ji. Can we please have a round of applause? An eminent educationist from Bhopal with the master degree in child psychology, guidance and counseling, Dr. Seema Pachauri, who heads the now well-known school by the name Budding Scholars as its director, believes in personalized education wherein learning is fun through the Montessori and Playway method. The activities conducted at her school are specifically designed for a particular aspect of child's development and Indian values. Round of applause please, louder! Now I would like to call upon for the another award, Abhishek Khare ji. Can we please have a round of applause? A dynamic and multifaceted entrepreneur who has many success to his credit. He is a teacher, journalist, career counselor, author, scriptwriter. He has also taught civil service and state public service aspirants. He has penned several books such as Career Samadhan and Kamyabi 30 Din Mein. Can we please have a round of applause? Louder, zordar taaliyan ek baar. Congratulations. Now the Rashtriya Ratan Award goes to Dr. T.M.S. Dhanpani ji. Can we please have a round of applause? The company is in the land development, environmental safety, agriculture development, horticulture, floriculture, aquaculture, medical and herbal cultivation. The company has carved a niche for themselves in short term. Can we please have a round of applause for him? Congratulations. And now I would like to call upon Guruji Dr. R. Karunanidhi ji. Please, एक बार जोरदार तालियां. A well-known astrologer for his predictions, especially amongst the builders and construction companies. He is also involved in community services and social service for the economically weaker sections. Can we please have a round of applause? Congratulations. Now I would like to call upon R. Dheni Chalam ji for the next award. Can we please have a round of applause? A humble man with noble thoughts. He has worked very hard for his village and neighboring villages with several social initiatives, health and educational programs. Can we have a round of applause?
He's not there. There? You want us to come there?
एक बार जोरदार तालियां.
समझते भी हूँ, इंग्लिश में भी, पंजाबी में सब भाषा जानता हूँ.
Congratulations. The Manav Seva Saman Puraskar goes to Dr. M. Jeevanandam ji. Can we please have a round of applause? A social worker par excellence. The award goes to him for educating the below poverty line people about the various government schemes and how they can benefit from them. He also helps them get various schemes and funds reach the right person at the right time. He has several state awards and recognition to his credit. जोरदार तालियां. आज मैं सारा ब्लड आप लोगों का बनवा के जाऊंगी. डोंट यू वरी अबाउट दैट. एक बार जोरदार तालियां. All right. I would like to call upon now Dr. Sanjay Agarwal ji. Can we please have a round of applause? For the grand and significant contributions that he has made as a dentist, who has practiced his craft with the great responsible way to create a fine example for a commendable work with modern as well as intellectual powers. His popularity as a dentist has only increased with the time. जोरदार तालियां इनके लिए. Congratulations. Now I would like to call upon Dr. Preeti Agarwal. Can we please have a round of applause for her? She is presently rated amongst one of the finest dentists in the capital, having made a mark for herself thanks to the selfless devotion that she has dedicated to her demanding career. In spite of the hectic demands of her profession, this noble lady, doctor, is a firm point to extend free dental services to the needy and poor patients who under normal circumstances wouldn't be able to afford her valuable treatment. Congratulations. The Achievers Excellence Award goes to now SVPS Pandaram ji. Can we have a round of applause? A humble human who practices service before self. He has been instrumental in maintaining the sanitary health of his village and around, promoting clean village. He has several awards and recognitions for his social services. एक बार जोरदार तालियां इनके लिए. The Anmega Sevaएं Achievers Award goes to Dr. R. Kanapan. Can we have a round of applause? जोरदार तालियां एक बार. A personality who has been instrumental in instilling spirituality into the village and the villagers. He has built schools and temples. He regularly distributes books and stationeries to children and has taken the responsibility of maintaining all the local temples. बहुत बहुत मुबारकबाद आपको. Congratulations. The Land Promoters Achievers Awards goes to Lion A. Mariappan ji. Can we please have a round of applause? He is a man of multifaceted personality, a businessman by profession. He is all the more involved in social activities, and his contribution for the upliftment and the betterment of the downtrodden has earned him laurels of the highest rank. He religiously contributes to social causes, be it temple building, to provide free books to school children, and extending financial help to poor girls. Very nice. Thank you so much. Congratulations. Now the Rashtriya Seva Saman Award goes to Sushma Rani Shukji. Can we please have a round of applause?
again.
Once again, we are having you here. Congratulations, double congratulations to you. Now the Infra Reality Achiever Award. The award is the most admired builder of the year category goes to Dr. Anil Kumar Sharma ji. Zordar taaliyan inke liye. A man of multi-facet personality, Dr. Anil Kumar Sharma ji is into the business of reality and infrastructure, heading the Amrapali Group as its chairman and the managing director. The level of his success rising can well be gauged by the very fact that he has spread his business with the construction of multiplexes, malls, five-star hotels, commercials, complexes, hotels, hotel management institutes all over the India. With such a sound background, he ventured into the film production also. Round of applause, louder! Now the award is in the Vastu Consultant of the Year category goes to Dr. Jay Prakashan Sharma. Can we have a round of applause? He is popularly known as the Lal Dhage Wale. Dr. Jay Prakashan Sharma ji is well-known astrologer whose accurate predictions has earned him much of fame and is much in demand not only by the lower segment but also by the top rung of people. He has written numerous books on astrology. Very nice. Thank you so much. The award in the Developer of the Year Residential category goes to Mohammad Sajid ji. Can we please have a round of applause? Louder! A real estate firm pioneered in infrastructure development and residential layout planning, he has handled several successful projects of housing and commercial with the planning, developing, marketing. Congratulations. And now the award in the Developer of the Year Residential category goes to Dr. S. Rajendran ji from Chennai. Can we please have a round of applause? Primarily, he is one of the major healthcare companies as a service providers and product providers to the super specialty division of cardiac, stents and pacemakers. However, he has lately ventured into the business of real estate and infrastructure by the name of Land and Estates, which has grown to a profitably and invincible position in Chennai in a very short span of time. Congratulations! Now the award in the Integrated Township Developer of the Year category goes to the Lord Group Kolkata. Can we please have a round of applause? Wonderful! Lord Group is in the reality and infrastructure sector. The company has become the member of the Indian Green Building Council. This company is led by experienced and energetic people focused on the company's core competencies. Its commitment to the growth is firmly linked to the employees' development and rewarding career. Congratulations. Now the award in the Innovative Green Projects of the Year category goes to a Star High-Tech Farms India Private Limited from Coimbatore. And I would like to call upon B. Lawrence Burr to kindly come on stage and receive the award. Headed by Mr. L. Francis Maria as an achiever of dreams, he left his successful career from corporate world to start his own agro farming and real estate, fulfilling his passion and dreams. He launched and presented to the world the first of its kind project based on agricultural investment. Congratulations to you. The award in the Young Icon of the Year category goes to Blackberry Overseas Private Limited, Delhi. Can we please have a round of applause? This company is into designer mirrors that are exclusively and distinctive. It has carved a niche in the market in such a part in a short span of time, which is actually commendable. Can we please have a round of applause here? BlackBerry Overseas has the best of the builders and construction companies as its clients. So congratulations, Mr. Subhanshu Jain ji. The award. Now the award in the Integrated Township Developer of the Year category goes to Shiv Kumar Garg ji. Can we please have a round of applause? He started his career as an engineering lecturer and he's not there. Okay. So moving on to the other award, the award in the Interior Designer of the Year category goes to Synergy Corporate Interiors Private Limited, New Delhi. Now I would like to call upon Swati Garg ji to please come and receive the award. Synergy Corporate Interiors is the leading interior design firm specializing in corporate interiors and having its branches all over India. Swati Garg, the co-founder of this firm, is a women entrepreneur and an architect by profession. She is instrumental in bringing the value of design excellence into the company, which translates into all the projects that Synergy takes up. Congratulations to you. Now the award in the Developer of the Year residential category goes to Satya Developers Private Limited, Gurgaon. Can we have?
He is not here. He is not here. We'll have it help.
Okay. So moving on to the other award, the award in the Brand Excellence Award category goes to Amrapali Group of Companies. Can we please have a round of applause?
I request Director Subhash ji to please come and receive the award on behalf of Dr. Anil Kumar Sharma and Amrapali Group.
One of the fastest growing real estate development corporates in Delhi and the National Capital Region, the Amrapali Group has completed projects spread over more than 100 acres that actually make the Amrapali Group stand out of the steadfast dedication to the quality and efficient service. Established by Mr. Anil Sharma, a civil engineer from IIT Kharagpur and former government employee. Thank you so much. Congratulations. Now the award in the Integrated Township Developer of the Year category goes to MS Skyward Properties Private Limited, Chennai. Now we'd like to call upon Mohammad Sajid ji to please come and receive the award. Having a set of benchmark in the real estate sector in Chennai, it has been dedicated to the development of the society with the real estate project. It has established a clear vision to transform the way of people. Round of applause, please. Now the award in the Developer of the Year residential category goes to Springfield Shelters Private Limited, Coimbatore. Can we please have a round of applause? A company with 2 decades of experiences, it has carved a niche and made its mark in short span of time. It has several successful prestigious projects with a luxury apartment and commercial offices. Would like to call upon
Raja John. Mr. Raja John.
Do we have him here?
Who was it? So somebody else should come and receive the award on his behalf.
All right. Can we please have a round of applause? Now the award in the Electricals and Lighting category goes to SM Hamid Humayun ji from Erode, a self-made man. A louder round of applause. Zordar Taaliyan. A self-made man who is into the wholesale of electricals to all well-known construction companies. He is known for his quality productions and deliverance. He also believes in giving back to the society. Very nice. Congratulations. The award in the real estate and construction category goes to C. Rajamanikam ji. Can we please have a round of applause?
A warm welcome to Dr. Janice Darbari, Her Excellency, I must say, the Honorary Governor of Consul General of Montenegro. Please welcome.
A very warm welcome to you, ma'am. One of the renowned name in the real estate industry, he has marked his presence with his quality constructions and with many successful projects. He has carved niche in the district of Tamil Nadu. Congratulations. Now the award for all building waterproofing category goes to Building Care Enterprises, Tirupur. I would like to call upon A. Arul Das ji to kindly come on stage. Can we have him here? Round of applause, please. A specialized cleaning company providing solutions for window cleaning to documenting cleaning, high-rise buildings, chemical treatments, heritage cleaning and more. Congratulations. Now the award in the real estate and building construction category goes to R. Balraj Marudham Promoters, Tirupur ji. Can we please have a round of applause? He started his business on a humble note. His aim is to construct affordable housing for all the sections of the society. He believes in giving back to the society through several social services, comprises of free education, old age homes and maintaining of local temples, roads, etc. Congratulations. Moving on to the award in the upcoming Developer of the Year category goes to AV Properties India Private Limited Coimbatore. I would like to call upon B. Lawrence Burji. Can we please have him here? A round of applause, please. A reputed enterprise with over 25 years of experience in various constructions and related fields. The company has created its benchmark with special focus in reaching out the customers, which is really nice. Congratulations. Now the award in the Affordable Housing Project of the Year category goes to MS Skywards Properties Private Limited, Chennai. May I call upon Mohammad Sajjad R.G. to kindly come on stage and receive the award. Now I would like to call upon Narayan Chakraborty ji. Can we please have a round of applause for him? He is the founder CMD of Insol Power Limited, Faridabad, the mechanical engineering graduate from Calcutta University. He has done his MBA from IMT Ghaziabad. Having worked in eminent organizations like Rolls-Royce, Bajaj, Dawson Tech in India and abroad, he started his new venture in power plant construction and engineering and is now running the Insol Power with an employee strength of 1200. Isn't it great? Can we have a round of applause, please? Thank you so much everyone to be a part of these awards. Now I would like to call upon Shri Raza Muradji to please come here and share a few words with us.
very, very good evening to all the ladies and gentlemen. हमारे परम मित्र अभिषेक ने कही पिनाक जी के बारे में थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन हो गया है। उन्होंने कहा कि ये इन्हें 33 ईयर से जानते हैं और मैं समझता था कि ये सिर्फ 30 ईयर्स की हैं। तो समझ में नहीं आता कि किसी को आप पैदाइश से 3 साल पहले से कैसे जान सकते हैं। बहरहाल, I would like to congratulate all the awardees, and I am so happy. I would like to congratulate all the awardees, and it's so heartening that the majority of awardees are from South India. And of course, the one-man army or the one-man show behind this great event is none other than my dearest friend Abhishek Bachchan. It's really, I just wonder how, he manages to, know all the achievements of the awardees. I think it's physically almost impossible, physically or mentally, to, organize such a great event. And I think his services are totally selfless. And this is the reason we are always with him and we will be till our last breath. A great friend. आज पहली बार मैंने अनिल कुमार शर्मा जी को इतना ज्यादा सुना, क्योंकि ये बहुत कम बोलते हैं और इन्हें ज्यादा बोलने की जरूरत इसलिए नहीं है कि जो इनके अचीवमेंट्स हैं वो इतने हैं कि वो खुद बोलते हैं। किसी शायर ने कहा है कि परिंदों को मंजिल मिलेगी यकीनन, परिंदों को मंजिल मिलेगी यकीनन, ये फैले हुए उनके पर बोलते हैं, वही लोग खामोश रहते हैं अक्सर जमाने में जिनके हुनर बोलते हैं। तो जिनके हुनर बोलते हैं वो हमेशा खामोश रहते हैं। और एक बात जो मुझे इनमें बड़ी अच्छी लगती है, जिंदगी में इतना अचीव करने के बावजूद इनमें जो सादगी है, इनमें जो सिंप्लिसिटी है, मुझे लगता है कि यही राज है इनकी तरक्की का। आपका ताल्लुक किसी भी मजहब से हो, भगवान को, अल्लाह को, जीसस को, गॉड को, वाहिगुरु को, सादगी अच्छी लगती है। तो यही मैं समझता हूं कि अनिल कुमार जी की बहुत ही अच्छी क्वालिटी है और मैं समझता हूं कि आज जितने भी अवार्डीज यहां पर हैं वो प्रेरित होंगे और काम करने के लिए। नेशन बिल्डिंग में सर्विस टुवर्ड्स द मैनकाइंड जो आप कर रहे हैं, मैं समझता हूं कि यही जो आपकी सेल्फलेस सर्विस है, आप किसी ना किसी तरीके से आप नेशन बिल्डिंग में अपना एक बहुत बड़ा योगदान, एक बहुत बड़ा कंट्रीब्यूशन दे रहे हैं। तो यही कहूंगा आपसे कि बी द टॉर्च बेरर, इसी तरीके से काम करते रहिए। नजर नजर में उतरना कमाल होता है, नजर नजर में उतरना कमाल होता है, नफस नफस में बिखरना कमाल होता है, बुलंदियों पे पहुंचना कोई कमाल नहीं, बुलंदियों पे पहुंचना कोई कमाल नहीं, बुलंदियों पे ठहरना कमाल होता है। तो जिन बुलंदियों पर आप पहुंचे हैं, जिसके मद्देनजर आपकी खिदमत का एतराफ करते हुए आज यहां आपको बुलाया गया है, यही मेरी आपसे दरखास्त है कि इसी तरीके से देश की, देशवासियों की सेवा करते रहिए। और अभिषेक बच्चन जो हैं, उनकी पैनी नजर जो है हमेशा आप पर पड़ेगी और ये आपको बुलाते रहेंगे, ये आपको प्रेरित करते रहेंगे। और हम तो ये दूल्हा हैं, हम तो सब इनके बाराती हैं। ये बारात जो है हमेशा इनके साथ रहेगी। आप सबका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया।
Talia, very nice. Beautiful words from you. And now I would like to call upon Dr. Janice Darbari ji to please come here and speak something. Congratulations to all of you. Honorable members on the dais, I would of course understand that a lot of people have come from the south, as Raza Muradji has said. I have missed or am I going to hear some of our dear friends on the dais? I don't know. I've missed definitely Abhishek, what Abhishek had to say. But then of course we all know him, and Raza Muradji has so beautifully put it together in it's called Short and Sweet. Since you've come from the south, I've just been down there to Chennai. And I must say I've seen the progress, and I'm very happy with the progress of Chennai. I've seen it after I think about 15 years. The people of Chennai haven't lost the culture, and that is what will keep India growing and going, both. And this is a big compliment to all of you who have actually created development, cultural integration and gone ahead. We had also with us in that function people from Sri Lanka. So the question of Tamil Eelam also came up. And since I've had the DMK chief present me a memorandum on the issue of Tamil Eelam in Sri Lanka, so naturally it is a little bit of a hot seat. But however, I think now leaders and ambassadors are all understanding that everything we do has to have this very beautiful bridge of peace as we work towards international peace and understanding. You people have kept the foundation of India strong, and that is a merit which no political thought can disintegrate, and that's important. So I'm quite sure that these words are enough to keep you going and to continue to be the achiever. And I hope you all continue to keep on achieving. And I'm quite sure, like the Gita, and I always quote the Gita, it said, Tat Swamasi, that thou art, you shall be. It is here we are to honor you. And for that, once again, congratulations all of you. Thank you very much. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं।
मैं हर जगह बात की शुरुआत क्या करता हूं, जो भी उम्र में मुझसे बड़े हैं उन सबको सर झुका के मेरा नमस्कार चरण स्पर्श। जो हम उम्र हैं उनको मेरा नमस्कार, और छोटों को मेरा ढेर सारा प्यार। मैं थोड़ा सा जो कुदरत ने मुझे स्वभाव दिया है, नेचर दी है, या जिस वक्त या जिस ग्रह में मैं पैदा हुआ हूं, तो मैं उसमें हेल्पलेस हूं, मैं वैसे ही बात करूंगा। और देश पात्र काल के मुताबिक भी आदमी चलता है। मंच पर किसी परिचय के मोहताज नहीं है, जो भी लोग बैठे हैं सारे के सारे। फिर भी अभिषेक बच्चन, जिनके बारे में आप बहुत कुछ सुन चुके हैं, और जब मुझे दुविधा होती है माइक पर तब बोलने की सबसे ज्यादा, जहां किसी प्रोग्राम में रजा मुराद जी होते हैं, क्योंकि उस तरह से ना मैं शायरी कर सकता हूं, ना बोल सकता हूं, ना मेरी आवाज वैसी है। सच्चाई है जो बहुत जरूरी है। बट ये सत्य है, हर आदमी किसी न किसी से कुछ सीखता है। राकेश जी से भी मैं सीखता हूं, अवतार जी से भी सीखता हूं, करेक्टर फिल्म के जो होते हैं उनके, पन्नास जी से भी, और थोड़ा देर से ही जानी जी जो बड़ा अच्छा बोल के गई अभी यहाँ पर, और अनिल शर्मा जी, क्योंकि ये परंपरा है। मैं एक बात जानता हूं, मैं आपसे अलग हूं तो कुछ मजा तब आए 1 मिनट की बात कहूं लेकिन उस बात पे दम होना चाहिए। जैसे आप कभी, मैं वो बात कहना चाहता हूं जो किसी विशेष व्यक्ति के लिए ना हो तो पूरे हॉल के लिए हो। जैसे आप मूवी में बैठते हैं तो जब कोई डायलॉग बोलते हैं रजा मुराद जी तो सारे क्लैपिंग करते हैं, तो मतलब बात वो होनी चाहिए जो सबके दिल को छू के जाए, ऐसा नहीं कि 4 लोगों को छू के जाए। मैंने कहा जब मैं अलग हूं तो आप सोचे कि आज पंडित जी ने कोई बात कही तो कोई मतलब की बात कही, तो मेरा नाम इन्होंने जैसे भी अवार्ड मिला है वास्तु के हिसाब से या ज्योतिष के हिसाब से, तो कोई वजह तो होगी। मैं एक बात और मानता हूं, जो चीज गलत है वो कुछ सालों के लिए चल सकती है, हजारों साल कभी नहीं चलती दुनिया के अंदर। अगर आज भी लोग डोरी देते हैं, दहेज देते हैं, अपनी मन की इच्छा से गिफ्ट देते हैं, तो लॉक किसी को नहीं देते। और अगर आजमाना तो अपनी जिंदगी में आजमा लेना, किसी अपने मित्र बंधु सखा बड़े करीबी से लॉक गिफ्ट में लेके देखना, तो फिर 2 साल बाद मुझे बताना आपके रिलेशन कैसे हैं। ये कॉन्फिडेंस से बात कर रहा हूं। और सुबह के वक्त जब आप उठो प्रातः काल, वैसे तो मैं थोड़ा मेरे 2-4 ग्रह नेगेटिव में उल्टा भी बोलता हूं कभी कभी, उसमें मैं हेल्पलेस हूं। मेरा देश महान, हम सुबह उठकर सूरज उदय होने से पहले वो सूरज शम्स जिसकी कोई जाति नहीं है, जो हर व्यक्ति को कुछ देता है, हमने भी कसम खा रखी है कि सुबह सूर्य उदय होने से पहले नहीं उठेंगे, उसका विटामिन डी कभी नहीं लेंगे। ये सत्य है। अगर 10% 20% लोग चले भी गए उसका सूरज की रोशनी लेने के लिए, ताजी ऑक्सीजन लेने के लिए, और साइड इफेक्ट उसका क्या आता है, फिर हम वही विटामिन डी के इंजेक्शन लगवाते हैं और ऑक्सीजन हॉस्पिटल में वेंटिलेटर के रूप में लेते हैं। यानी कि हम चाहेंगे नहीं कि हम उस चीज को लेने का प्रयास करें। I mean, कि कुदरत कहती है मेरे नियमों का पालन करिए, मैंने रात और दिन बनाए हैं, उसको मानने का प्रयास करिए। मजबूर है आदमी कि शूट सर आपको 3 बजे जाएगा तो सुबह नहीं कर सकता, बट एट द सेम टाइम एनी मोमेंट व्हेनेवर यू गेट चांस, वॉकिंग चलना वीनस ग्रह के अंदर आता है, शुक्र ग्रह के अंदर आता है। आप कोई क्रिया करते हैं तो मंगल ग्रह में आती है, ये स्टार्स का है, कुदरत की चीज है। तो प्रातः काल जब आप बेड से जब भी उठें, पहले 5 मिनट अपनी खुद बॉडी की मसाज करिए, और कभी भी विदाउट एनी स्लीपर अपने फ्लोर पर पैर मत रखिए, वरना आपकी बॉडी सारी अर्थिंग हो जाएगी। इसलिए हमारे जो पूर्वज थे एक लकड़ की खड़ाव रखते थे या किसी तरह की, जिसको बोलते हैं कि अर्थिंग ना हो जाए हमारी बॉडी, रात की जो एब्जॉर्ब होती है, तभी बोलते हैं ना कि उठते ही नहाइए मत कभी भी, टेक सम टाइम, क्योंकि आपकी एनर्जी है, गर्मी है आपके अंदर, जैसे ही नहाएंगे तो आपको साइड इफेक्ट हो जाएगा, आप बीमार पड़ जाएंगे। कहना बड़ा आसान है, 2 शब्द सुबह से शाम तक आप सुनते हैं, क्या भाग्य कोई किसी का नहीं बदल सकता, जो होना है वो होके रहेगा। आपको मैं अंदर अंगूठी पहनाऊंगा तो आपसे आपका कोई जानकार बोलेगा क्या आपका भाग्य बदल जाएगा डॉक्टर साहब, आपने पंडित जी से अंगूठी पहन ली, होने को तो कोई नहीं डाल सकता, जो भाग्य में लिखा हुआ होगा डॉक्टर साहब आपके साथ। तो मैं उस महान भाव से पूछूंगा, अगर भाग्य कोई टाल नहीं सकता, हर पत्ता उसकी इजाजत के बिना हिलता नहीं है, तो फिर डॉक्टर साहब ने मेरे से अंगूठी कैसे ले ली बिना भाग्य के? इसका मतलब कॉस्ट टू बी डिस्टाइंड। जैसे आदमी 4 डॉक्टर्स को दिखाता है कि वो जो ऑपरेशन कराना है, और ऑपरेशन अचानक किससे कराता है, एक रात कैंसिल करके प्रोग्राम जिसके भाग्य में लिखा होता है, 5वें से 4 कैंसिल हो जाते हैं। इट्स अ वेरी लेंथी टॉपिक, बट मैंने कहा ना, जैसे आप सिनेमा हॉल में बैठते हैं, मुझे अभिषेक जी बात को बात से मिलाने जा रहा हूं, क्योंकि हम बॉलीवुड के लोग बैठे हैं, आप भी वही नशा देते हैं जो फिल्में नशा देती हैं। कि साथ का पड़ोसी आपका बैठा, आपको पता नहीं होता किस जाति का है, किस समुदाय का है, वो भी हंसता है, वो भी रोता है, तो इस तरह से आप सारे समुदाय को इकट्ठा कर देते हैं। इसके लिए मैं आपको सर नमस्कार करके आपका धन्यवाद करता हूँ। ऑनर्ड। मैंने अधिक बोला, और एक चीज जरूर अपने उसमें लिख लीजिए, मेरे बायोडाटा में मैं 238 किताबें लिख चुका हूँ और 1000 किताब लिखूंगा। गुड, वेरी गुड। आई हैव रिटन 238 बुक्स। और दूसरी बात, जो बात कहता हूं ये कह के जा रहा हूं माइक छोड़कर, जो मेरे दिल में होता है वही दिमाग में होता है, वही मेरी जबान में होता है, और वही मेरी सोल में होता है, आत्मा में होता है। मैं सीक्वेंस को फर्क नहीं डालता, और अगर मैं इसको सीक्वेंस में जिस दिन फर्क डालूंगा उस दिन ना मैं अपने आप को औरत समझूंगा ना मर्द। नमस्कार, जय भारत, जय हिंद।
थैंक यू सो मच। आपसे बहुत सारी बातें हमें सीखने को मिली हैं। इट वाज रियली नाइस हियरिंग यू। So now I would request to please come and पद्म श्री बनाज निसानी जी प्लीज आइए, हमारे साथ थोड़ी सी गुफ्तगू कर लीजिए। Can we please have a round of applause for her?
Give her a big hand.
Friends and all the achievers and all my dear friends on the dais and Superman Abhishek Bachchan. Superman because it's incredible to have 72 award nights in one lifetime, and I'm sure we are going to be there for the century. हम वही बात कर रहे थे बैठे बैठे, शताब्दी हम सब साथ मनाएंगे. आप तमाम अवार्ड विनर्स को बहुत बहुत मुबारकबादी. I'm so happy to see people from all walks of life, from all kinds of professions and cultures come together in this hall to get this award. Always a pleasure to be here. Thank you for inviting me. And so this is a matla of a ghazal. फिर हम तुम्हारे शहर में आकर ग़ज़ल कहें, फिर हम तुम्हारे शहर में आकर ग़ज़ल कहें. दिल का चिराग दिल से जला कर ग़ज़ल कहें. एक लफ्ज़ आंसुओं से लिखे एक खून से, एक लफ्ज़ आंसुओं से लिखे एक खून से. हर शेर इस तरह से सजा कर ग़ज़ल कहें. और आपने भी खून पसीना बहा के ये अचीवमेंट्स लिए हैं, तो बहुत बहुत मुबारकबादी. एंड हियर्स टू द 73rd.
Rakesh.
With a very nice smile on your face, you have a beautiful voice as well. Can we please have a round of applause? खूबसूरत सा गाना सुनने के लिए. It was very nice. Now I would like to request.
वेल दोस्तों, जब सब लोग बोल चुके हैं उसके बाद में जब जिसकी बोलने की बारी आती है उसको समझ नहीं आता क्या बोलूं, क्योंकि सब लोग इतना बोल चुके हैं कि मतलब अगर मैं कहूं कि बच्चन साहब अभी बोल बच्चन हो चुके हैं. लेकिन फिर भी एक बड़ा सुकून मिलता है और बड़ा अच्छा लगता है कि हम लोग अपना सब लोग जितने यहाँ बैठे हैं मेरे यार दोस्त, हम लोग अपना काम काज छोड़कर, कैन यू बिलीव इट, कि हम सब मुंबई में अपने अपने कामों में व्यस्त हैं, अपनी शूटिंग्स में, अपने प्रोग्राम में व्यस्त हैं. लेकिन पता नहीं क्या हमारा प्यार है इस आदमी के साथ कि हमको ये 2 महीने पहले बोलता है, बच्चन साहब बोलते हैं 2 महीने पहले के साथ मेरी वो डेट है, फलाना डेट है मेरी, और ये मेरे हम जूरी पे हैं इनके, तो ये मेरे कुछ वो हैं, तो हम टिक मार्क करते हैं जो भी हम कर सकते हैं उसमें जो हमको पता है, और वो करते हैं और हम वो डेट संभाल के रखते हैं. आपने देखा होगा कुछ लोग यहाँ पर हैं कि हम लोग पिछले 10-10 साल से यहाँ पर लगातार आ रहे हैं. कोई सिंगल ऐसा फंक्शन नहीं है कि हमने मिस किया हो, एक भी फंक्शन ऐसा नहीं कि हमने मिस किया हो. और वो सिर्फ इस आदमी का प्यार है और इस आदमी का काम है. जो काम ये आदमी करता है कि मैं सच कह रहा हूं कि मेरा नहीं ख्याल कि किसी और फंक्शन में जो नॉर्थ इंडिया में हो रहा हो या दिल्ली में हो रहा हो उसमें साउथ इंडिया के इतने लोग इकट्ठे करके हीरे चुनकर यहाँ पर ये आदमी लाया हो, कोई और कम ऑर्गेनाइजेशन लाई हो और उसको नवाजा हो, उसको इज्जत दी हो, उसके काम को सराहा हो. आई डोंट थिंक सो देयर इज एनी अदर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन हु इज डूइंग दैट. और दूसरा, जब भी कोई आदमी फंक्शन करता है, आप नोट कीजिए आज की डेट में, खासकर आज की डेट में, आज से मतलब मैं आज से बात कर रहा हूँ, आज से 2, 4, 5, 10 साल पहले से ऐसा एक सिलसिला शुरू हो गया है कि जब भी आदमी को फंक्शन करता है वो हमेशा किसी पर्पस के लिए करता है. दोस्त यहाँ थोड़ी आवाज कम करो यार, एक्सक्यूज मी. जब भी आदमी कोई फंक्शन करता है तो किसी पर्पस के लिए करता है, उसके साथ बहुत बड़ी बड़ी चैनल्स होती हैं, बड़े बड़े मीडिया होते हैं, बड़े बड़े लोग होते हैं। इसके पास, अभिषेक जी के पास क्या होता है, हम जैसे लोग और हम जैसे दोस्त और एक इनके दोस्त अनिल जी जो इनको सपोर्ट करते हैं। और ऐसा नहीं कि ये फंक्शन जो अभी हो रहा है ये मतलब बहुत कमाल के चैनल्स में जाएगा, ऐसा नहीं। लेकिन ये जरूर है कि कहीं ना कहीं मीडिया में कई जगह फ्लैश होगा, अखबारों में फ्लैश होगा, इसकी न्यूज एक बनेगी। लेकिन उस तरह से नहीं हो रहा है कि अभिषेक जी इसको करके इससे जो पैसा मिल रहा है उसको एक्सप्लॉइट कर रहे हैं या उसको बेच रहे हैं या उससे कुछ कमा रहे हैं। इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट। तो ये अपने आप में एक बहुत बड़ा अचीवमेंट इनका है। आप तो अचीवर हैं ही हैं, लेकिन ये भी अपनी जगह पे अचीवर कम नहीं है। मेरे मित्र यहाँ बैठे हैं, डॉक्टर अग्रवाल सामने बैठे हैं। डॉक्टर, उनको अभी अवार्ड भी मिला है, अग्रवाल साहब को, उनकी मिसेस को भी मिला है अवार्ड। मैं ये सच्ची बात आपको बताने जा रहा हूँ कि 3 साल पहले जब मैं यहाँ पर आया था तो मेरा आगे का दांत टूटा हुआ था। तो मुझे उन्होंने पूछा डॉक्टर साहब ने कि आपके दांत को क्या हुआ बेटे साहब? मैंने कहा डॉक्टर साहब मैं परेशान हो गया हूँ, मैं 5 डॉक्टरों से मुंबई में अपना दांत ठीक करवा चुका हूँ, पर ये एक जगह बैठता ही नहीं है। तो इन्होंने कहा कल मेरे पास आ जाइए। तो मैं इनके पास चला गया। इस बात को 3 साल हो गए। वो 3 साल में 6 बार टूटा था, ये 3 साल से खड़ा हुआ अपनी जगह पर। डॉक्टर साहब थैंक यू वेरी मच। तो मेरे लिए आपका जो अवार्ड है वो बिल्कुल सार्थक है, आप उसको डिजर्व करते हैं। और मैं एक बार फिर से सबको मुबारकबाद देता हूं और कि यहाँ पर आप सब लोग आए और ऑल ओवर इंडिया से आए, बहुत खुशी इस बात की। और जैसा कि पिनाज जी ने कहा कि अगर इसका 100वां फंक्शन होगा तो हम सब उसका बेकरारी से इंतजार कर रहे हैं। हम जितना साथ दे सकते हैं देंगे। अनिल जी का साथ फाइनेंशियल है, हमारा फाइनेंशियल तो नहीं हो सकता, लेकिन हमारा डेफिनेटली हम लोग अपना टाइम देंगे, अपना जो भी हमारा हुनर है, हमारे पास जो भी क्वालिटी है, अपने काम के हिसाब से वो हम जरूर देंगे, अपना साथ देंगे अभिषेक के लिए। थैंक यू डियर।
Thank you so much. It was again lovely. All the beautiful people sitting here. एक बार जोरदार तालियां इनके लिए. Now we all can have a group photograph. I would like to request everybody to please यहाँ पे आ जाइए थोड़ा सा पीछे.
Come backstage. 10 or 12 people at a time.